Shopping for robot vacuums and feeling swamped by specs and feature lists? Picking the wrong model can mean wasted money, constant maintenance, or a cleaner that never quite fits your home's needs. Today we'll compare 5 current options across navigation, suction, runtime, and maintenance ease, and explain why our top pick could change your daily cleaning routine without breaking the bank. Links in the description below for current pricing. And subscribe for more insights like these. Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop is built as an all-in-one cleaning machine with FlexiArm edge mopping and an auto-mop washing and drying system to keep pad hygiene simple. It also includes 10mm mop lifting and smart obstacle avoidance, plus a dual zero tangle system to reduce brush clogs, which makes it a fit for homes that need unattended floor care and edge mopping. However, its advanced features point this model toward buyers who want a high-end automated mop cycle rather than a basic daily sweeper. Overall, it's a strong option if you want automated mop maintenance and obstacle-aware cleaning. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum aims for simple, reliable floor cleaning with LiDAR navigation that helps it clean in neat rows across multi-surface floors and a self-charging design that keeps it ready for routine passes. It emphasizes easy-to-use operation and intense power-lifting suction for lifting everyday dirt across different floor types, making it suitable for users who want a straightforward autonomous vacuum without complex setup. However, it focuses on core vacuuming rather than advanced mopping or self-emptying systems found on some newer models. Overall, it's a practical no-frills pick for anyone who values dependable, easy operation. Roborock Q7L5 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Roborock Q7L5 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is marketed as an upgraded follow-up to the Q5 Pro with LiDAR navigation and multi-level mapping to handle homes with multiple floors or complex room layouts, plus a dual anti-tangle system to reduce hair-related jams. Its self-charging capability keeps it running regular cleaning cycles, and the combo design supports both vacuuming and mopping for mixed floor surfaces. While it brings upgraded mapping and anti-tangle tech, buyers who prioritize self-emptying or auto-mop maintenance might look elsewhere. Overall, it's a solid mid-range choice for households wanting reliable mapping and tangle-resistant performance. ILIFE A30 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. The ILIFE A30 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop combines LiDAR navigation with a 10,000 pax max suction rating and a 60-day self-emptying system to minimize maintenance intervals, plus app, remote, and voice control for flexible operation. Its 150 min-max runtime makes it suitable for larger spaces, and it's described as ideal for hard floors, carpets, and pet hair, so it fits homes with mixed surfaces and shedding pets. However, those who rarely need self-emptying may find the extra convenience more than necessary. Overall, the A30 Pro is a strong pick for users who want powerful suction with low-maintenance self-emptying. Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is positioned as an affordable hybrid with a 5,000 power robotic vacuum cleaner motor, up to 150 min max runtime, and app plus remote control for straightforward scheduling and manual runs. It's described as ideal for hard floors, carpet, and pet hair, and features self-charging to return to base when needed, making it suitable for budget-conscious households that still want app control and mop capability. However, it lacks some higher-end automated maintenance features such as self-emptying or auto-mop washing. Overall, if you're looking for a cost-effective daily cleaner that handles mixed floors and pets, this Tikom combo is worth considering. Thanks for watching this roundup. Each robot vacuum here targets different needs, from budget hybrids to feature-packed mop systems. Check the links in the description for current pricing and full listings so you can pick the best fit for your home. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward comparisons and buying advice.